Hi everyone, this is my first YouTube review. I'm doing the RidgeMonkey pan. As you can see, I've already got the handles on it, lifting it up in the camper van, and it does come with the other tray, which is really good for when you want to separate your food or use it for other things like steaming your fish or vegetables. Place all the water in there, use it as a steamer, which is really good. The handles come off, they go into this little bag here, which is handy for when it packs away into the cupboard. So I'm just going to take that back off, put it over my drainer, and I'm going to do a brilliant little bacon sandwich on tiger bread. I'll let you know how it goes on. So first job, bit of the old spray light. Lovely job. Put the lid back on that because I'm bound to forget it. I'll quickly turn down the heat. That's good. And it's nice and sturdy pan, it's really good. You can feel the quality in it. And out comes the bacon. I'm trying to do this with one hand, having a tripod. So bear with me. The bacon up there, and it's around, so bear with me. Let's pop that in there. So we've got 4 pieces of bacon in. Had this as a Christmas present off my dad. Tidying up as I go along. This is my Sprinter van conversion. Double bed up there, little nice heater, so we've got a bit of work to finish up in the van. I'll show you some more of that another time. A bit untidy at the moment. There we go. Look at that, can't beat a bit of bacon, and it's getting on some nice tiger bread, followed by a nice cup of tea. As you do, boost the heat back up a bit. I'm impressed with the pan. Put the lid on. It's got all the different separate compartments. I didn't fancy all beans, tomatoes, etc. etc. I just fancied a nice bacon sandwich, bit of brown sauce. So while that's cooking away, I'll just put you on pause a bit and we'll come back to that in a minute. Right, I've left that to cook for a while, only a couple of more minutes, and I'm going to attempt the turnover. So as you know, on cheap quality frying pans can be an absolute nightmare, but with this, no problems. It's brilliant. One hand holding the camera, one hand holding the picker uppers as I nearly drop them. Place that back into my sink. Steady it on there. Put the lid back down. Round 2. So I'm really impressed with that. Back to the old RidgeMonkey. Let's have a look at this. I do like that everything, all the smoke and all of that stays in the pan. Quick turn over. I like my bacon crispy. Look at that. That's right, you can turn it over so you can use both sides. You can separate them so it all comes apart. So you can cook on 2 hobs if you want. Might do salmon tonight, could do a chicken curry if I wanted to. and the big bit, which I'm doing the bacon, and do all little things in there. Ideal for doing a full breakfast. You know, all your sausages, your bacon, beans, do an egg, tomatoes, whatever you want to do. So all you do is obviously turn it over with the two handles, which are detachable. Really good little tool. It's got a good weight to it as well, so it's not flimsy. Good solid piece of kitchen hardware, if you ask me. Did a steak in it last night, that was absolutely lovely. Should have filmed it really. Didn't think of it until this morning.